Hi, my name is Brian Dean, and I have been serving in Garland ISD just northeast of Dallas for 15 years. I'm a digital learning facilitator who supports approximately 7,000 faculty and staff with the effective implementation of digital pedagogy with devices in classrooms and various job roles within the district. My district is a mix of one-to-one Chromebooks, iPads, and carts at the elementary level. G Suite for EDU is a major part of my daily professional and personal practice and the trainings that I provide. I have delivered trainings on Google Apps for teachers to integrate into their curriculum and their classrooms, and for administrators who want to streamline office processes and things like that. I've also presented at our state conference, TCEA, and Region 10, our local educational service center. In addition to training, something unique I have done in the Google realm is to pioneer a project where master teachers from each of our 72 campuses share their tech integration knowledge and experiences with other teachers in our district by facilitating live webinars via YouTube Live. And that is exactly what we are going to look at today in this video. So here we are at YouTube. To start a live event, click on your avatar in the top right and select or Creator Studio. From here, you want to come over here to live streaming, select events, because you're going to schedule an event far out in advance. You're not going to stream now. You can just say schedule a new event or click new live event in the top right. So let's say you're going to host a webinar on differentiate for students using Google Classroom. And you don't want to host it today. You actually want to schedule it for 4:30 p.m. on April the 5th. You're going to publicize it, things like that. You can give a brief description. Tags also help. If you want to tag it G Suite EDU, we also have a district tag, hashtag that we do here. Public means that it's searchable. Anybody can find it on the web. It'll be attached to your name. Unlisted keeps it public. It's just not searchable. And then private, of course, you can share it just specifically with another Google user. You want to keep it on quick using Google Hangouts on Air if you are doing a simple screencasting like I'm talking about here. Just take a quick look at advanced settings. It defaults to have a live chat on your event, and I would highly recommend keeping it on there. It really helps interaction and helps interaction be possible. Category, of course, I typically deal with education, but there's a whole host of categories you can tag your video as. We're ready to go live, so let's create an event. It stays here in your events library. So when you are ready to stream a month from now or whenever it is, you just come back to this screen and you click Start Hangout on Air, and it launches your Hangout window here, and you can see me, hi. And then I click Start Broadcast, and it tells me that it's broadcasting, and I am now live on YouTube, streaming there. It tells you that you're live. If you need to share this down here on the link, that's the link right here that you would give participants to come and watch you. Here, this is a screen share button. So you can share your entire screen, or you can share a specific application. This is great for, say, presenting a Google slide deck while you're talking. When you are finished broadcasting, you click Stop Broadcast, you hang up, and it tells you that it's now on YouTube. It lives here on the YouTube channel, and you can share this link indefinitely. It will live here, and people can come back and watch your video. So that is how to broadcast using YouTube Live.